Back, everybody. There is a unique shop in Connecticut that has some really beautiful items in it. A shop that you probably passed like 1,000 times and wondered, hey, what's in there?
It's called Restoration Lighting Gallery, and it's right across the street from Connecticut Lighting, just off the Brainerd Road exit on I-91.
It's lighting for sure, but it's also a whole lot more, and we wanted to give you a sneak peek. Take a look.
Just gorgeous everywhere you look. Just gorgeous. This is what you're going to see when you visit Restoration Lighting Gallery.
Restoration Lighting Galleries, we bring your memories to life. Hello, Todd.
How you doing?
Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
I'm happy to be back here at Restoration Lighting Galleries.
I'm happy you're back.
Todd Director is the vice president of the company and wanted us to come see everything Restoration Lighting Gallery has to offer. This is the store across the street from Connecticut Lighting Centers in Hartford.
Across the street, Connecticut Lighting, it's more or less like the grocery store. You need lighting, we have everything.
Right.
Over here, a little bit different. Vintage, one of a kind, restoration, repair. And what I mean is a lot of the pieces here are actually restored vintage pieces from years and years ago. We actually bring them back to what we thought they originally were, and we actually have a tag on all the stuff. Not everything in here is restored, but on the majority of it that is, we give a circa year, like this piece right here, original, and it tells you the circa year about when it's from. So this piece is from approximately 1950s.
Todd, a whole room of lamps, not only floor lamps, but table lamps as well.
You know, yeah, table and floor lamps, primarily floor lamps, are such a big category for us here at Restoration Lighting Gallery. And one of the reasons is because just think about yourself, you know, all the different outlets that sell lamps, how many places do you go and see really intricate, nice floor lamps?
No.
Not too many places.
No.
So again, as you look around, I mean, the majority of these are all vintage pieces. So you take a cast iron piece like this, you know, with the two-tone. I mean, it's amazing that we were able to clean this up like this. This is 1920s.
1920s.
So again, that's from the 1920s, and again, you'd never know that was a restored vintage piece.
No,
now,
that's beautiful.
Looking for something new?
the other thing at Restoration Lighting Gallery, we also try to find, again, unique things that are new that just really fit in with the decor. Look at this piece right here. So again, a really big, cool, interesting piece we found at market.
And when it comes to shades, think Restoration Lighting Gallery, because they have got so many choices, so many different colors, so many different shapes, and so many different sizes.
I don't know of a larger selection of lampshades in the state when it comes to just lampshades. We have all different sizes, shapes, finishes, fabrics. You need a lampshade. What we suggest is if you're going to come for a lampshade, bring in your lamp. Get it here safely, put it on the table, and let us show you, the different lampshades with the different parts and pieces. Because 9 times out of 10, if you do a new shade and it's a little bit higher or shorter, you need to replace some of the hardware on that lamp, the harp and the finial. From there, we can also help out with light bulbs. Now LED light bulbs. There's a whole the different types of bulbs.
They've also got home accessories here at Restoration Lighting Gallery.
And welcome to the vault, Todd. A lot of unique gift ideas in here, from lamps and fans and home accessories.
Absolutely. We do try to find some unique home accessories. So again, as you go around the store, we kind of have home accessories everywhere. Just really unique, different gifts.
And the holidays are coming up. It's a great place to shop.
Yep, sure is. And don't forget, they make things into lamps as well. Karen, I know you had a piece turned into a lamp.
Yes, I got something for Dennis for Christmas. It was really cool. I took all the old mic flags from the different television stations he's worked with, and I just kind of brought it to them, and they ended up taking this antique film reel and putting mic flags in, and they created this lamp for his office that shows like every place he's ever worked.
It's amazing. Restoration Lighting Gallery is located right across the street from Connecticut Lighting Centers at 167 Brainerd Road in Hartford. The website is myrlg.com.